Do you rap or do you tweet? Cause I can't tell. Get in the booth.
And we are going on a girls trip. My baby daddy has 8 kids.
Why would you? Oh God.
Just vibe. From the 45, don't get out of line. Yeah. Ooh, 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 pick a side.
Look at Tia with her vlog camera.
Got my earth here.
Yes.
I got my
There goes Tiara. Okay. I was like, I wish I wet my hair and put some mousse in it.
Next trip we can make
So, hey y'all, hey. What's up everybody? It's your girl Ashley B and I'm back with another video. And we are going on a girls trip. We're going on a girls trip. We are going to hot ass Arizona.
We actually made it out of the group chat, aren't y'all?
The plans were put into the group chat and the plans finally made it out of the group chat. So
Made it out and I'm so
we are hustling to our flights, huh?
I don't even know where we're going, but we definitely headed.
Let's go to Dunkin' Donuts.
Alright, let's do that.
No, unfortunately, no. I'm thinking about a whole different airport.
Airport was thinking about?
Tampa. I know. Chicago Midway Airport does not have a Starbucks, so we gotta go to Dunkin'.
That's something we need to bring up at the next one.
But yeah, what time is it? It's currently like 4:15 in the morning. So we about to get something from Dunkin'. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get to Arizona. Okay. Say hi, guys.
Yeah, it's tunnel vision.
My so-called friends are making fun of me because
We are gonna see if Ashley can make it.
so here's the thing, I never board with my correct boarding group. Never. Like I just screenshot the show them and I scan it and I just keep it. I keep it moving. I've been doing this for years.
Oh my God. Just don't look back. Even when you heard them on the intercom.
They don't even say my name. Yeah, all the time.
Oh, I thought you had double zero.
No, just shut up.
Well, guys, we're gonna see if she can make it.
I'm gonna make it.
We're gonna see because we don't know.
And I'm gonna get me an aisle seat.
Here you go. And she's finessing the aisle seat in her wrong.
I'll pick it back up on the plane.
Okay.
Hey, who got through group boarding effortlessly?
You did. Worked like a charm. And she scanned that fast.
We made it to Arizona.
Officially made it out of the group chat.
Officially made it out the group chat. Where are we going now? We're gonna go to the hotel and put our bags down and then go get something to eat. Yes. Oh, that light is so bright. I love that.
There you go.
Did everybody bring their lights?
Yes.
Okay. She doesn't look good about. So I took all the girls on the
Do you rap or do you tweet? Cause I can't tell. Get in the booth.
Alright y'all, we're gonna do a room tour. This is the bathroom. Looks very nice, very clean, very demure. And then the mirror, which I love the illuminated light. Perfect. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Closet. Ain't no ghost up in here. What'd you say? No ghosts. TV. Isis made the rezos, y'all, so yeah. And then the beds. And look at this beautiful view. But we gonna make it do what it do. What we about to do? You ready for breakfast?
Yes.
We're about to get ready for breakfast. I think I'm gonna wet my hair and put some product in it. Pick y'all back up after that. We are all about to go to Lolo's Chicken and Waffles to get some brekkie. And go get some brekkie. Some brekkie. And then after that, we're gonna go to the fashion mall and go shopping. I ain't buying shit. Why should we buy something? Catch you later. Oh my God, where are we at? Hash Kitchen.
Can we sit outside? Can we sit outside? Outside?
Oh, this is cute. Hash baby.
I love this.
Yeah.
Oh, it does say fried. Cool. What is fried meat?
Hi, ladies.
Hi. Good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a flight.
Oh, wait.
Add cotton candy glitter bomb to that.
Wait a minute. Where do you see this at?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's really good. You get one blackberry, one raspberry, one passion fruit, and then one white peach.
I'll do the same.
And does everybody want the cotton candy glitter bomb?
I don't want cotton candy.
No,
You know, I could have mine too.
No. What about you, babe?
No, thank you.
No. So it's gonna be orange, strawberry, blackberry, and pineapple.
Ooh. The girls, we got flight. About to take flight for real. 24 karat gold flakes on the Billionaire Bacon.
It's gotta be 24 karat gold, bro.
Billionaire Bacon is crazy. Look at the gold on this damn bacon, y'all. What is so funny? What? You look like Kai.
A few moments later.
We had a mimosa flight. We got one more mimosa to have. Right, Ice?
Yay!
Right, Tia?
Yes.
Right, Tiara?
Something about mimosas.
I said we have one more mimosa to drink. Well, I do. Is this pineapple?
How did you like living in
That
Barrington?
blue martini.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some
that's
ballers there.
Okay.
Oh, some ballers.
At the Global Ambassador?
Ballers.
That I don't know.
Oh, you don't know.
Ballers.
That's what the one guy did. Ash got a whole souvenir.
Literally, that's so dope. I sure do.
She gonna go back like, oh my God, they kicked you away.
I'm gonna be like, wait, what did you say?
No, the lady.
Oh, the girl.
The lady and her.
So how did
the
you guys
flight
pick
classes.
Scottsdale to come to?
Just a place we've all been wanting
Warmer.
to visit.
It was a cheap
Yeah.
flight.
It was definitely a cheap
It's a
flight.
great place.
Just say that.
It is the #1 spot for a bachelorette party.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
ask him.
You got the same baby mama.
Lon, do you?
Your kids got the same BM.
Are you married?
Yeah, this is white.
This is
I mean,
White Star.
I'm too young.
Oh.
Young to have a
7
baby mama.
grandkids
You are
that have graduated
7
from
grandkids.
college.
What? So you don't have little grandkids?
You want to know something crazy, Lon?
Yeah.
My baby daddy has 8 kids.
Why would you? Oh God. The cameras. I got bullied into mine.
I didn't bully you.
You did?
I just said hurry as much as I said.
Hurry the fuck up. I want to get outside. No. You can take a nap later.
You can take, I didn't say you can take a nap later.
I love this.
I got my fancy.
It's over here. I got bags.
What'd she say?
Nothing extra.
Tia over here putting makeup on. Tia put makeup on because she want to take pictures.
No, the next bag. Yeah, that's
The beats. Ice over there looking bomb. Tia over here with her. Never mind, she covered it up. She had her cheeks out. They're covered. Tiara out looking like a mandarin orange.
very tangerine-ish.
Very tangerine.
Very Florida in Arizona.
Very orange, very fruit, very demure.
Very demure.
Very demure. We about to go to the pool. Finally.
We haven't stopped.
We have not stopped.
We haven't. Let me tell you, we haven't. We haven't stopped.
We have not stopped.
I'm ready to stop. I'm ready to stop.
She wants to take a nap so bad.
You gotta keep going.
And I just feel like, why take a nap now?
You gotta keep going. Why take a nap now?
Why take a nap now? Why not? Why?
Hey, this is abuse.
Abuse?
If y'all don't hear from me later on in the vlog, you know what happened.
She'll be alright.
I'm asleep.
She'll be alright.
What they say? Night night.
I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Never so blind and she's right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. So dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with us women. It took me some time, but now I'm gone. Cause I realize I got it.
Alright, you guys, so we are going back to the room. We're gonna shower and kind of chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the mall. So I'll pick y'all back up a little bit later when we get ready to go to the mall. Hey y'all, hey. We are going to do some shopping and then just see what happens after that. Say hi, Tia. Say hi. So I think y'all back up. I think y'all back up when we go to a store.
Oh. Okay, I keep going leaning back towards those.
Trying on something else and then one down. I'm about to get some glasses.
Just paused the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days till I wait? Make plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. And I never wanna waste things, shorty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing.
Go ahead, Ice, do your big one up in here, girl. Go ahead, Dior. We're gonna find some shoes for her and then go to the hotel, take a nappy nap, and then we're gonna get ready for dinner. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we start to get ready for dinner. Okay, bye-bye.
So hot, dinner red. I keep these pussy fresh. Keep the shirt on wet. Got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. Let's go. I'm about to show my ass. Get your man. If he right here with me, Friday night, hot as hell. 60,000 fans came to see me do my dance. No one hates, and then y'all can.
We about to go out to dinner, and we're gonna take some shots. What you drinking? Give me your cup. Then after we take the shot, we'll chase it with this. Cheers! Woo! Hands on your knees, hands on your knees.
Never have I.
What?
Never have I ever.
Wait, dude, wait. Girl, you better eat that meatball. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, ladies, we're coming in.
Oh my gosh.
Warm up.
This was amazing. Thank you so much. Oh my god. We were freezing and we just got shots. You could have told us that they were. There was a
She is keeping this game.
She is.
I have a question.
I feel like I have to be in charge because y'all get sidetracked.
So for A&F brands,
Hey, what?
Abercrombie and Fitch,
Okay.
have you remodeled?
I haven't. No, I've had that question.
She thought you was
I thought you were like in one of our ads.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm
That's so
like,
funny.
She looks so familiar.
No, I never have. I've had that question before, though.
Yeah.
Makes me think maybe I should give it a try.
I think you should.
Yeah. I don't know. I didn't even know who to talk to or like how to start doing that.
She would know.
Just get some headshots
pictures
taken and submit on like Instagram and just send it to like their agency profile.
Yeah. I should. Why not, right?
Do it.
Thank you.
He said, well, I don't know what it's for, but I really Ashley's over here like, yes, those.
I told her what to do.
I mean, but it's the truth though. That's what he really can't model though. Like,
Yeah.
we're not taking nothing. We ain't taking nothing.
What if he? What if I was here?
You can really model. You can
Hypothetically.
That would be cool. You have a reason to fly back and forth to Arizona.
I ain't got time for that shit.
I'm like, Ashley in Arizona, yeah, look at her.
No problem. Very careful. I'll actually just squish it right to the side right over here.
Thank you. That looks so good.
Would you like some?
Good morning, you guys. No, it has to be under your account, whichever the room is under. The homegirls unlock themselves. Why you do that?
Because I was getting our key to go downstairs to, come on now, get another key to get them in their room. Oh, thank you.
Excuse me. We got locked out of our room. Do you have access?
What?
Can you unlock our room? We got locked out.
Yeah.
Thank you. See you guys. Hey y'all, hey. Say hey y'all. Where we going?
We're ATV riding.
We're ATV. Look at Tia's fit.
Ready.
Ready.
I'm ready.
When I'm in my lonely mood, and I just can't be what they can't love and not be.
Hey y'all. Made it to ATVs finally. To be in all that traffic. Oh my goodness. So we about to get our helmets and stuff on, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all up and I'm gonna get as much content as I can just on my phone, because having y'all out, I don't wanna like break anything. I don't wanna lose you guys. So I'm gonna put y'all up and I'm gonna just record on my phone. Alright y'all, we finna go ride ATV.
Wet me one more time. I want to be wet.
I wanna be wet. Helmet check, goggles check, fit check. Woo! Y'all, it's hot. It's hot. No. Come on, ask what? Girlfriends, through thick and thin.
I'm so hot. Oh wait, hold on. This is my eye. Now you could have told me I had this little fuzz in my eyeballs. We just left ATV and I saved us because they were trying to go on the hill.
Girl, you didn't
that I have to call the man to come get us because they wanted to go on this trail that literally just ended. Look, you see over there, right over there. But I saved us. I called the man. He came back and got us. Thank God. So we saved Isis, saved Sierra, and Ash.
Yeah.
I gotta say.
We appreciate you.
I gotta say.
We would still be out there.
We would have definitely still been out there because nobody knew what to do. But yeah, now we're at Starbucks. And they got everything wrong. So.
We're gonna go find tacos. Ice, you gonna find tacos? Tia, you know you love a taco. A taco. Hate to see all of us coming. The water bottles in your bag.
I didn't drink them, but just throw them in my bag. Here, T. Take water.
It smells so good in here.
I guess it just kind of give all the.
Yeah. Y'all welcome.
I really can't go for real. This hurts. My hand straight. I'm like a little girl on that beach. She's like.
Okay. Ah, Rico. Come on.
Two asada and 3 with chicken.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Background music that vibes with your message.
All right, you guys. So we're ready for dinner. We're about to go have dinner at
That place.
TOCA Madera.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. So, oh, my camera's about to die. So I'm gonna have to vlog on my phone because I didn't charge its battery. And yeah, here's our outfits. Corset from Pretty Little Thing. Skirt from Amazon. Gold heels from Nine West.
Just a little more too.
Oh my God.
Akira.
Akira.
You know, yeah, let's come on.
All right. Pick y'all back up. Well, not on my camera, but on my phone. So, bye.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I were more than you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we want me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be. If I want you, take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, you could do damage.
You guys, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi, Ice. Hi. We just had dinner at TOCA Madera. Whatever it's called. And then we came back and I wanted to have a little photo shoot downstairs, but it got interrupted. So now we're just gonna try to go to the rooftop and yeah, so we're gonna have like a girls' night. So I'll pick y'all back up in the morning before we leave. Yeah, we leave. Hey, oh hey. So it's the next morning and me and Tia and Isis we're at the pool having a little brekkie before we get ready to head back home. It's been a very fun trip. A little bummed because this morning Mother Nature came. So I'm a little irritated because of that. But other than that, life is good. Life is great. We're gonna continue to enjoy the vibes this morning and then head to the airport. So I'm gonna pick you guys back up probably when we get to the airport. And until then, enjoy this little montage that I put together. Okay?
Way to feel the mood. No, you like that shit. Cool, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta get some bullshit.
We're leaving. We're heading to the airport. I'm time to go. Is it that time? It is that time. Oh my god, oh my lashes came off. Alright, you guys. We're ending the trip.
Dinner is steak 44.
Steak 44 was hilarious.
Steak 44 was unhinged.
Very unhinged.
But also, before the trip even started, on the way to the airport, at 3 a.m.
4 o'clock in the morning.
3 o'clock in the morning on the way to the airport.
Man.
Oh, yay.
Yeah, I'm missing lashes. We're heading back home. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching and watching our girls trip. All the fun we, okay, they're not even paying attention, so yeah. Like, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Yes, you got it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch. I'm with my nigga. Okay.